Alright, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you a VPN app which will help you to secure your connection, add extra protection when you are online. So on this channel we always share apps that can help you to secure your connection when you are online. So the apps we share are on Google Play Store. Simply head over to your Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. And when you reach on Google Play Store, simply search for Shadow Cypher VPN. That's the name of the VPN, so you search for that. And among the presented, you pick this one. And when you pick this one, take note of the app name, take note of the app icon. And after installing this app, before using it, please make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. Also make sure to read your country local laws regarding VPN usage in your country, and also make sure to read and follow your ISP terms regarding VPN usage in your country, and make sure to follow them. After that, open the app to set it up. So the app will help you to secure your connection and extra protection when you are online. And from here you are required, when you open the app, it will take you to its home screen where you'll be required to set it up for it to work. First of all, you tap on this menu button. So from here you opt for update resources. So when you tap on update resources, the app will start to check for the available updates and it will update to the latest version. And after that, you're required to pick a server right here. So when you tap here, you can pick any server which is online, for example this one. So you pick any server which is online, and after that you're required to pick a network. For example, we have chosen the Allnet Hysteria UDP. This is because UDP is working for all countries which support UDP. If your country supports UDP, this option of Allnet UDP, it will work for you in your country. So UDP is fast and secure when you are online. So the other setting is you are required to add on time by tapping on this add time button. So after adding time, you are required to insert a super fast and a secure connection by tapping on this start button. And when you tap on the start button, the app will be connected. And that's how we set up Shadow Cypher VPN with all country UDP settings to achieve a fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online.